Good afternoon. Today's topic of discussion is going to be the January real estate market update for the Las Vegas Valley here in Nevada. This is Dale Snyder with Team Driven Real Estate at the Snyder Group at Keller Williams Realty. All right, so in summary, we're going to be going over new projects on the Strip, off the Strip. Just a quick pulse. There's so many, I can't talk about all of them unless you want a 30-minute video. We're going to talk about rezoning schools. There's a lot of stuff shifting and changing. What's going on nationally in the real estate market and economy, how that's impacting us locally, and then a quick pulse on what we're seeing right now in the real estate market. So let's jump right in. So what we're seeing with new projects, obviously Echelon, that when the market tanked, that was repurchased by an Asian investment group. That's going to be called Resorts World. It's at the former Stardust site, $2 to $7 billion project. That's going to be on Las Vegas Boulevard and Desert Inn. They're even going to have a replica of the Great Wall of China. Just an amazing, huge project. You can Google to learn more about it. But that's going to be coming online as soon as early 2016. Fontainebleau, one of the largest busts in American history, happened on our Strip. You can see that. That's right by Turnberry. That's in bankruptcy right now. So look for that to be moving through, paying off the creditors and all the construction people. And you should be seeing something developing with that. The Sterling Cub down in Turnberry, that was purchased by a Silicon Valley Investment Group for about $10 million. What a smoking deal. Probably going to be something similar to what already was for all the residents there, a higher-end social hub. Summerlin, up in Summerlin, we have behind the Red Rock Casino, the Summerlin Center Mall. Put it in perspective, it's going to be about 1.8 million square feet, 4 times the size of the district, and the same size, roughly, as the Fashion Show Mall. Dillard's and Macy's will be open in 2014. It's going to be an amazing asset to the community. So many other projects that are underway. So we're seeing a lot of stuff come around, which is just great to hear for all of us, right? Rezoning. This is a big one. There's some rezoning of some of the most sought-after public schools. So we're either going to be going year-round, there's going to be some rezoning, which is dramatically going to impact your home's value, or if you're looking to buy, you want to be aware of these potential changes to make sure you buy where you have the greatest chance of staying in that school. So if you want to talk more about that, reach out to me. My wife's a school teacher, so I have a pretty good pulse on it. If I don't, I can talk to her and get that information for you. Nationally, just the economy as a whole is recovering. We're seeing a lot of great things with the economy. Things are, GDP's up, gross domestic product, so that's always a good thing. Unemployment's going down, even in Nevada. So we're projecting to be one of the best years in the real estate world since before the boom. The bust during the boom years. So we're already seeing that. So we're seeing a huge influx of buyers and inquiries on the internet, sellers wanting to get their homes listed. So we expect to be a huge, huge year. Some of the things to be aware of is interest rates are definitely on the rise. With the tapering of the bond purchasing, that's going to increase rates as much as a full %. And so if you're in the ultra-luxury market, that impacts you too, because if you look at the top 20 sales in the $2 million and above range, what was it? Geez, I'm drawing a blank. I think it was 7 out of the 20 were financed. So there's a lot of financing even in that higher end. So that's definitely going to impact you. But other than that, we're distressed. Got to touch on that a little bit. Distressed. We're going to see some more short sales and bank-owned properties coming on the market. Thankfully, we should burn through that inventory this year. See prices stabilizing and inventory going up, which is good because that's going to lead to a stable market. And as a whole, that's better for everybody, right? If you're looking to sell, it's great when there's no inventory. But if you're looking to buy, it's not a good thing. So it'll be a healthier market as a whole. So that's the quick snapshot. I just wanted to give you more of an overview for the January update. If you want to go in more detail, reach out to me because your specific situation is going to require an educated conversation to go over things. If you like the video, make sure to like it, share it with others, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of great information we're putting out there. And don't forget, in the description below, we have a video where I talk about what's going on nationally in more detail, and then what's going on with the Summerlin Mall as well. So make sure to catch those videos as well. This is Dale Snyder with Team Driven Real Estate at the Snyder Group, Keller Williams Realty here in Las Vegas. I hope you're having a fantastic January. Have a great day.